What's up, YouTube? In this video, we're going to review the Rhodes Wurli plugin. This is their latest in their plugin lineup. They got the Rhodes MK8, they got the Anthology, and now the Rhodes Wurli. And I think it sounds pretty cool. I'll just play it for you real quick. It's very responsive, and they really sampled this very meticulously because you can hear the mechanics. You know, it's almost like you can just I'm like, dang, is that my keyboard making that noise? Because you know, when you play a real keyboard, you'll hear, you hit the key hard enough, you'll hear the mechanics of the keyboard or control. You hear the springs. But I'm hearing that here. It's just very weird. Let's check out some of these effects. So we got the chorus right here. So that's a little wet right there. So maybe if I can just a little bit. Very big sound there. And here's the phaser. Let's check that out. You can get really percussive with it, and you can add a little bit of drive. And you know, always this is one of the first effects I ever played with was the tremolo. So I can add some depth on there. It's amazing. It has its own separate sound from the actual Rhodes. So you got velocity, you got some delays here you can put on there. And reverb. You can change your mix. Add some more of that. More chorus and mix them together. You got some spring there. You can really. So you can get pretty crazy with it. It sounds like my mom's keyboard. So my mom actually has a Wurlitzer, and you know, I got a hold of it, and it needs a lot of repair. But this is a good stand-in, and you know, this makes you want to appreciate it and use it when you know the legacy of the instrument itself and how it's been around, and you know how Ray Charles did on his "What It Say" record. You know, I played that in my short, but I'll just play it for you right now. So it's a really good sounding. It's probably the best Wurlitzer I've heard so far, and I know there's a lot of Wurlitzers and workstations. There's a lot of Wurlitzers and the plugins. Like everybody's done his keyboard, just like how they've done the Rhodes and just like how they've done the Model D and Junos. And but I like this because it does one thing. It does it very well. It doesn't tax my system at all. If I want a Wurlitzer, a plugin that just does Wurlitzer, boom, you have a Wurlitzer, and that's it. So I really enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think about this plugin right here. I think it's pretty cool. And stay tuned for more. If you like this type of content, like, comment, subscribe. We got more coming for you. Thank y'all so much for taking time to watch this video. I'm very interested to hear what your opinions are. Let me know. We're out.